Welcome to my channel. How to set up a printer. Method 1, Wired Printer Setup. Unbox your printer. Find a suitable spot for your printer near an electrical outlet. Plug in the power cord and turn on the printer using the power button. First of all, open the window settings by clicking on the window icon that is located left the bottom of the screen. Now you should see a gear icon linking to your settings window. Click on it and proceed further. Now take the USB in your hand. Insert it into the computer as well as in the printer. Look for the icon labeled Devices. Now you need to select Printers and Scanners. The new page will open where the first option will be to add printer or scanner. Once you've clicked Add Printer or Scanner, Windows should be able to detect your printer connected via a USB cable. Now you will see the name of your printer. Here you need to select it and wait until the device is connecting to your device. Method 2, Wireless Mode. On the printer's display panel, find the Settings or Setup option. Look for a Wireless or Network Setup wizard. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. The printer will connect to the network. If you haven't installed the printer software, do it now. The software will locate your printer on the network and finish the setup. That's it, your printer setup has been successfully done. Now you can use your printer. Thanks for watching.